Greetings traders, it's Thursday, April 19th, 2018, and I just got back. I've been gone for hours. I took the trade earlier, the code trade called out within my charting, and had to turn my back on it. Didn't have a chance to even record it, so as soon as I took it I basically had to leave. And I thought I was going to be right back, but I got busy and had to go do something, drive somewhere, so I just got back and noticed the trade had made it to the exit. I had what I thought was a 40 tick exit on it, but looks like I only got like 39 ticks out of it somehow, or something like that. So, but anyway, I hit 40 ticks, and I got an email from one of my clients in the charting room, and charting service, sorry, and he said he hit it for 50 ticks this morning. So, and he is fairly new, just started in the charting service, and apparently doing good. He hit one yesterday, hit one today, and doing good. And a couple days before that, he was struggling a bit, and I taught him a few things and inside the charting service, and that helped him, and now he's hitting them. So congratulations on hitting that trade for 50 ticks this morning. I know that had to feel good. I only got 40. I don't know why you went for 50, but you did better than me. And because I said to go for 40 inside the charting, just to keep it a high mathematical trade. But anyway, good job, 50 ticks, and code worked perfectly. Called out exactly what it should be in the charting service. I will chart it out again on Thursday, and we will, of course, going to take the same trade on Friday. So pretty easy. Should be pretty easy day tomorrow as well, just like it was today. And oil is definitely moving. It's moving, and I am going to recheck it, the code. I don't know, but there could be a second code. I have to like really analyze it to see if I can find one. But there might be a second code. If there is, of course, I will let all of you know about that in my charting service. So the charting service is working great. It's a really super popular service because it's helping people. So for those of you who want to do this, learn the code too. Got to learn that. Otherwise, charting won't make any sense to you. And then come into the charting, and you can hit these trades, not every day, but almost every day. Your mathematics on the trade can be really high. Practice it. You'll get really good at it. It's a really great trade. Anyway, I am going to get going. What time is it here? It's late. It's 12:23 a.m., so it's pretty late here. So anyway, I will see all of you tomorrow. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're being inspired by the codes, and happy trading out there.